Welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can change hidden photos password in iPhone. So first up here, if we're going to open up your photos on your iPhone, so basically here on your albums at the bottom, you'll find hidden. So if you're going to open your hidden photos, you'll need your Touch ID to view the hidden album or your Face ID. So in this case, I'm going to use my Touch ID. And once done, it will open up my hidden albums or hidden photos. So as you can see here, there is no separate options that you can basically save a password for a specific photo. So in this case, we're going to use your phone password or Face ID or Touch ID to basically open up this album. So if you want to change your Face ID or Touch ID and passcode, you want to go here on settings and tap on this option. So first up, if you're going to use your passcode, so enter your passcode and then here scroll down and find change passcode. So in this case, you will need to enter your current passcode and then your new passcode. Now verify your new passcode. And once you've done, you can now open that hidden albums. But if you are using Face ID or Touch ID, so for example, if you're going to open up again the hidden albums right here, you can use your Face ID or Touch ID to view this hidden photo or hidden album. So to basically change your Touch ID or Face ID, select this one, enter again your passcode, and then here go to add a fingerprint. So you can basically add your new Touch ID. So if you are using Face ID, then you can set up your Face ID. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.